Hi everyone, Brian here from Cosmic Secrecy, and today I'm looking back at some old UFO news when I came across the NASA STS-75 Tether incident that happened on February 25th, 1996 and was part of an investigation into new sources of spacecraft power. To date, not a lot of people know about this, and for those of you who haven't seen this amazing footage, just watch what happens next.
Tether has broken at the boom. The tether has broken and is going away from us. Get it on the TV, Claude. Please get it on the TV.
Now, as the camera pans and focuses on the drifting satellite, which now appears as a white stick-like object, you can see the background of space come into life, with a huge number of white dots in the shape of circular objects. Now, when I first seen this video back in 2006, I was shocked and amazed at how clearly it shows these objects and that they're not just your typical space debris or debris from the shuttle after the accident. In my opinion, if it was any debris, they certainly would not speed up, slow down, change direction, or materialise and dematerialise into the fabric of space. There are other YouTubers that have modified this footage for better investigation, such as Luna Cognita, who done a fantastic job of showing the objects directional trails, which this being our first video, however, I'm yet to learn how to modify the footage in the same manner. Now, on or around the year of 2014, John Tyndall of the History Channel noted that the camera's telephoto lens that was used had a circular mirror that had a hole in the middle. Now, this left an artifact of the images on the camera's lens, and because the images on the camera were overexposed by the bright sunlight, the objects appeared brighter than they were, giving the illusion they were behind the tether rather than in front of it. Now, NASA got several queries following this incident from people who were watching the video on NASA TV back then and said, "Hey, we saw spaceships on the shuttle video. Now, what's NASA got to say about that?" Where astronaut Tom Jones, a veteran of 4 space shuttle missions over 11 years, said, and I quote, "I looked at the video and I said, oh, I know what this is. This is just ice crystals floating along beside the ship for the first couple of days of the flight. What looked to some people like a spaceship streaking across the star field was to us looking out the windows a complete non-event, and yet it was very significant to people who were watching." I certainly don't know about you guys, but in my opinion it's the first of me knowing that ice crystals are capable of such manoeuvres, and seems to be the usual counter story by authorities for any anomalies caught on camera by astronauts out in space. It would also be worth noting that when water freezes, no 2 pieces of ice form the same shape. Why do all of the debris appear to be perfectly circular? This is one of the best compelling space recorded videos to date that I have ever seen, and shows more than just ice crystals and space debris. Again, what debris can speed up, slow down, change direction, materialise and dematerialise into the fabric of space. I will allow you, the viewers, to decide on what you think we're looking at here. I would also love for everyone to leave a comment on what you think, and to get in touch also if you have any photographic or video footage of any UFO phenomena. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, also following us on Facebook and Twitter. You're watching Brian here with Cosmic Secrecy. I hope you have a great weekend and enjoy the rest of the video. Till next time, goodbye.
guys getting the image?
Franklin, we see a long line, a couple of star-like things, and a lot of things swimming in the foreground. Can you describe what you're seeing?
Well, the long line is a tether, and there's a little bit of debris that kind of flies with us, and it's illuminated by the sun at such low angle. So there's a lot of stray light, and it's getting washed out quickly, but Claude is trying to do a quick, good job here adjusting the cameras.
Copy that. Columbia, Houston, that's a much better view, a lot more contrast visible. And how wide does that tether appear to be? It seems to resemble a much wider strand than we'd expect. Can you describe which way the satellite is visible on that strand?
Satellite now 100 nautical miles.
Charlie, completely unzoomed, and you see the full extent of the tether. I tried to adjust the focus, but I can't get better than that.
Okay, Claude. Thank you.
I'm going to zoom in now.